Ingredients are chopped spring onion greens. I have taken 2 bunches of spring onion, 1.5 cup maida, garlic cloves 7 to 8, soya sauce 1 teaspoon, tomato ketchup 1 teaspoon, ajwain 1 teaspoon, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste. Oil for kneading the dough and for frying. Take a maida in a bowl, add ajwain, salt, water and knead the dough. And lastly, grease it with little oil. Now our dough is ready. Cover it with lid and rest it for 30 minutes. Heat a pan. Add oil. Add ajwain. Chopped garlic. Spring onion. Saute it for 1 minute. Soya sauce, salt, red chili powder, black pepper powder, tomato ketchup. Cover the pan with a lid till it cooks. Now remove the lid to exhaust water. Our stuffing is ready. Now switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Let's knead our dough again. Divide dough into small balls. Now let's make maida paste. For that, take 1 tablespoon maida and little water to form a paste. Consistency should be like this. Now roll it into a small roti. Apply maida paste to all the corners. Add stuffing at one point. And start rolling till end. Now form a shape of circle by sticking end points. Our circles are ready to fry. Start frying till it's crispy and brown in color. You can make 15 to 16 circles from the given proportion. If you like my recipe, do subscribe, share and hit on the bell icon. Thank you.